Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the screen glitching or display problem on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the quick settings panel and here click on this on off icon, and from here click on this restart icon and then click on restart again to confirm. And after restarting your mobile, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. So after updating your mobile software, your screen glitching problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now after opening the apps, click on this three dot more icon and here click on reset app preferences. So after resetting the app preferences, it will fix your screen glitching and display problem. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.